How's it going, everyone? So in this video I'm going to talk about how to get rid of hiccups fast. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So yeah, really important, you guys, to get rid of hiccups. What you want to do, first thing is you can actually get a product um, that is really going to help with your hiccups, and that's liquid IV hydration. This is actually used for this is used to get rid of hiccups, because the liquid hydration, you need hydration to get rid of hiccups. That's one of the main things. So once you get rid of the hiccups, the liquid hydration will help to do that. It actually gives you 4 times the amount of hydration as normal, compared to 1 cup of water. So you're going to see a very big difference by using it. It's something that I really recommend. Next one is going to be breathing into a paper bag. This one is very important, because for the simple fact you're going to see a huge difference by breathing into the paper bag. It's going to be quite amazing, and yeah, you're going to see a huge difference when you do that. So something to keep in mind: breathe into a paper bag, and you're going to see a huge difference in your in getting rid of your hiccups. So that's really good, you guys. Next one is going to be gargling with salt water. Salt water works really well for getting rid of hiccups. So gargle, I would say, for about 30 seconds, and that should be good enough, you guys. Next one is going to be stress. You gotta minimize your stress. No matter what you do, your stress needs to be limited. It has to be limited. If it is not, what's going to happen, you guys, is your hiccups are going to get worse and worse. So really make sure that you guys really make sure that you guys get that in check. You need to make sure your stress is under control. That's it. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.